Assalamu alaikum everybody, my name is Syed Ahmed and I'm back again with another YouTube video. Before we get started, make sure to like the video, comment down below, and subscribe to the channel. Alright guys? Now that we got that out of the way, let's go over today's day trading, how I made 3,500, no, I'm kidding. Inshallah ta'ala, I hope one day I will be able to make $3,500 day trading. I made $350 day trading. Very clear distinction there, alright? So we're going to go over how I made $350 day trading today. We're going to go over every single trade I took. I took 4 trades. And yeah, I'm just going to break it down. It's going to be a very chill, super easy video and should be very informative for you guys because you guys love these trade breakdown videos. Okay, so let's get this over here. Come on, the heck is happening? Okay, why is this? Okay, cool. So coming to the market, first trade, first hour, I don't see really any trades. So I sit on my hands. I was looking at taking a trade around this level over here, buys of course, but I didn't take that trade. Probably would have entered at this candle, would have gotten stopped out at break even if I'm not mistaken. But I see the trend go from uptrend to downtrend, right? So I wasn't really comfortable taking buys, if that makes sense. And yeah, just because the overall trend was looking bearish. And so I look at this level and I see that this level has a lot of consolidation. All right. What do we see in this level? All we saw, well, I can also extend this level leftwards, but let's go through what we saw with this level. Okay. So we have halt, right? Price comes back to it, retests, bam, strong bullish momentum. Comes back to it, bam, strong bullish momentum. Comes back to it, weak bullish momentum, a lot of consolidation, finally strong bearish momentum, right? Force breakthrough, and then bam, bearish momentum. So what I'm looking for is price to come back to this, show me some signs that we're going to continue bearish. I'm not looking for buys at all. Again, I was saying we could be looking for buys. I was kind of looking for buys here, but then I was like, not really because the overall trend is downwards. Okay. So once I had that, all I had to do then was go back and just wait for price to come back to react to that level. What did it do? It didn't do it over here, although I was looking for it to come back over here, and I would have took shorts over here, but it didn't. But then it finally came back to this level, and so I saw that it did, and I was waiting, and what do I see? I see bullish candles getting smaller, which means they're getting weaker, and I see bearish candles, I see wick rejections, I see CCI going from oversold to overbought. I see another strong bearish momentum candle, and I enter. 1 to 5 hour risk to ratio, guys. Super easy, take profit. I had to take profit a little bit before these lows because I thought that we would reverse from these lows, and that's exactly what ended up happening. Although I could have squeezed out a little bit more profit. So up 1.5 hour for the day, right? Now what I'm looking for over here is, was this a second trade I took? No. Oh yeah, this was the second trade I took. Yeah, again, let's go back over here. I see this key level in the market, and I see we're like at the top of that key level, right? And we're like showing a lot of wick rejections. Okay, so granted, this wasn't the strongest bearish candle, so this was a mistake on my end, right? On the fact that I did end up taking this trade, but this bearish candle wasn't the strongest. So I probably should not have took this trade, but it is what it is, guys. Right? You always make mistakes, and you're going to make mistakes one day. Oh, I actually took it on the second. Sorry, I took it on the second, but still the second. It was still a doji bearish candle. Again, same exact philosophy. Overall downtrend, come back to a key level of market, showing wick rejections. Super turn is red, overbought on the CCI, but again, not very strong bearish candles. Bearish. There was no essentially significant bearish momentum. So I should not have taken this trade, but I took it. I lost. It is what it is, right? Coming back though, it comes back and trades off the same exact key level. And so what I notice is the market structure has shifted, right? Over here, we're making lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, but now we break and we make higher highs and higher lows, right? So I'm anticipating this to be the higher high, higher low. And what do I see? I see we have a weak bearish candle, we have a strong bullish pin bar, and then we have a bullish candle again. So I enter right over here as CCI went from CCI is coming a little bit, creeping up above from the oversold territory, and I think this is a good time to buy. I did get into a little bit of drawdown, guys. I wasn't worried necessarily, but I was like, oof, a little bit of drawdown, guys. What's going to happen, right? But I hold the trade, and then bam, we had this strong bearish momentum candle, and then we had another bearish momentum candle, and TP was smashed. So overall for the day, I'm up 2.5 hour, if I'm not mistaken. No, I'm up 2 hour so far for this day, if I'm not mistaken. And I was looking at taking another trade around over here-ish, but I just didn't get the confirmation. There was no like key level in the market that I could trade off of. There was this level. You know, if you really wanted to stretch it out, you could have said that this was a level. Me personally, I didn't like that level, so I didn't take a trade. But, you know, if there was a strong key level here, I definitely would have entered over here after this strong bullish engulfing candle. And that definitely would have hit TP, as you guys saw, or as you guys can see, or at least potentially guess. But you know, it is what it is, guys. Coulda, shoulda, woulda. There's always going to be more and more trading opportunities. You should have an abundance mindset when coming into the market. So, you know, if you miss a trade like this and it would have hit TP, it is what it is, guys. Don't worry about it. Go on to the next trade and you'll be good. That was it for this, guys, if I'm not mistaken. I don't know if I was looking for buys over here. Um, I think I actually logged off the charts. Oh yeah. As soon as 12 p.m. hits, guys, I logged off the charts. So over here, even though this seems like it could have been a good opportunity, I just logged off the charts. So this was a trade again, same exact thing, right? I could have made 3 extra R today, but I didn't. And it is what it is, guys. There's always going to be more trades. Now, that's 3 trades. I'm going to show you the 4th trade that I took today, which was right over here. So the theory behind this was that AU was just in a ranging market condition, and we were very heavily respecting this level of resistance. Again, I don't like calling them resistance and support levels, but you know, if you guys do, you guys can call that. And this level of support, right? Ranging, no clear trend, right? But what I do know is that overall we're bullish. Okay. So I know that for a fact that overall we're bullish, and now we're in a ranging market condition. So I'm not really going to be looking for any crazy risk to reward ratios here, guys. I never really do, but sometimes I will hold my trades to a 1 to 30 RR. And I just wasn't feeling that today because of the fact that, again, you have to always not be greedy and think about, when can my trade reverse on me? When can my trade halt? And your trade halts at key levels in the market. Again, going back to EU real quick, right? Why did I take my trade, right, over here? Why did I take my trade earlier, right? When I could have held it down here, I could have held it down here. I did it because this was a key level in the market, right? This was the lows. This is the lowest point, and then it rejected with strong bullish momentum. So I didn't want to be caught in profit and then have it reverse on me, and now I lost, or now I got out of break even. No, there's no point in doing that, guys, right? So instead, what I did is I didn't get greedy. I put my take profit a little bit below, above the highs, above the lows, sorry, to make sure that at least I'll get out, and at least I'll get out in profit. So going back to the AU for a second, again, same exact thing. We're in a ranging market. I'm seeing that price is respecting these two zones really well, and so I see that price comes over here, and we come. Oops, my mistake. And we come strong from the resistance, and I start seeing that bearish candles again getting weaker, getting smaller. Bearish momentum is slowing down. I see this massive doji. I see this strong bullish engulfing candle, again, Morningstar pattern. You're getting a lot of candlestick patterns over here. I'm seeing wick rejections at the zones, and I'm seeing the green super trend. I mean, everything oversold on the CCI. Everything was in line with me to take the trade, and I did. I got out over here. And guess what, guys? Again, I could have held for a little bit longer. Probably could have held from 1 to 2. But you know, it is what it is, guys. I'm not gonna kick myself in the butt about it. I took my trades, I won my trades, and I followed my plan to the T. All right, and that's all there is to it, guys. That's exactly what trading should be. If you guys notice, there was a lot of movement. There was a lot of times when I could have took trades and won them, or could have took trades and lost them, right? And I go over them while I'm actually in this breakdown. But guess what, guys? I sat on my hands, waiting for the perfect opportunities. I don't take C class setups. I don't take B class setups. I take A plus setups every single day of the week, right? And that is why I'm profitable, mashallah, right? That's why I'm profitable over the long run, consistently profitable, mashallah, because I follow my edge to the T and I only take A plus setups, right? A lot of day trading is just going to be sitting on your hands patiently, waiting for trades to come to you, okay? I don't anticipate the market. Oh, no. Yeah, I don't predict the market. I don't do anything. I only react to the market, right? I don't anticipate moves. I can think about what's going to happen all I want, but I don't know what's going to happen, right? The last trade that I showed you, right? I didn't predict that price was going to go, AU was going to go from consolidation back up to, from support to resistance, right? I reacted to what was happening. My reactions, what price was telling me, what candlesticks on the charts were telling me, was that chances are it's going to happen. All my confidences were in line. That's why I took it. I didn't predict that, right, guys? It's a complete difference between predicting and reacting to the market. So I hope this video helped you guys a lot. Again, as you guys can see, I have one setup. I trade that every single day whenever I see it. That's it. It's just about showing up to the market, being consistent, doing one thing at a long enough period of time, and you will make it. Okay, that's what it is, you guys. Make sure to like the video, comment down below, and subscribe to the channel. With that, peace out, guys.